What's up guys, taking a family trip to Big Bear, got the whole family here. About to meet more family and yeah, should be fun. I'm gonna record some of it just for fun's sake.
Whoa. Where's whoa? Take pictures on there.
Still got some people sleeping from the drive, but that's good because that means they're gonna be fully energized, ready to rock and roll. Starting to see some lake and yeah, pretty excited.
Hi guys, this is the cabin that we're renting for the weekend till Monday.
All right, so here we are, and this is the cabin. Looks pretty nice. So it's day 2 of camping. Yesterday I didn't really record more than I wanted to because it got pretty hectic. We were at the house that we were supposed to stay in, and then people started knocking saying that we were having activities and they were just being intrusive. I don't know who they were, but maybe they were with the owner of the house, not sure. Long story short, we ended up packing up everything in a matter of like an hour, maybe 2. And then luckily my girlfriend's mom had family who owned the cabin here, so we just stayed there. And why we didn't get that cabin in the first place, that's a story for another day. But we're good now. Lisette's making breakfast, getting ready for the day. People are waking up, eating breakfast. Things are happening. Today we are going to possibly go fishing, possibly get in the lake. It's cold. It's in the 60s and the water is cold, I'm guessing, as well. It's lake water, so yeah, probably not gonna get in the water now that I think about it. But one of the good things about the cabin that we're at is that it's in the middle of the woods. It's very outdoorsy feeling here, even though it's like a neighborhood. There's just trees everywhere and you can hear the birds, and the mountains are so close to us. It's really nice. I really like this place. Although it is far from the lake, but it's homey and I like it. That's it.
The roof said it's warm.
So this is more like it. We are now at the lake and we're just trying to have fun. Big Bear is not a very beach friendly place, at least from what I've seen. There aren't a lot of beach around places. I mean, it is a lake, so I didn't really expect a lot of sand and waves and stuff, but I kind of expected to be able to just like have a place where people just were able to get on the lake and just hang out. But here we are by a mark. As you guys can see, we found a little clearing in the marsh and we decided to post up in there. It's still fun. Kids are getting in the water a little bit. It's cold. I don't blame them. I just put my toes in and it was cold AF. I see some people about to start fishing. I'm gonna try to catch them in the act. Let's go. Yeah? That's how you do it?
Yep, that's how you do it.
You just
Fishing.
throw it?
Yeah, cast it out there. Mark
So you mean to
them out.
tell me you just cast it and then you lay it down?
Well, there's a weight on there too and a hook, so when I cast it out there, the weight's what gets it out there and has it sink to the bottom, and then
Okay.
it has a string on there, maybe about foot and a half, has a hook at the end,
Yeah,
some power bait, and that's what the fish eat, and then just sits out there and
Do you have an extra one?
yeah, got it.
All right, we're gonna
set this guy up
yeah,
with the pole.
let's do it.
We'll be right back.
It's been years since I've casted a rod for fishing. All right, I'm gonna reel it back in a little bit.
I know. Can somebody help me get out?
All right. Is that a good throw? Yeah. And then just lock it. Good. Are you ready?
Go.
Almost everybody has left, and we're just over here fishing, teaching the kids how to fish. Nobody has caught anything yet, but we keep seeing fishes jump out of the water. I really hope I can catch one jumping out of the water so I can show you what I'm talking about, but probably won't happen. And now we're back where we started this morning, back in the woodlandy, foresty neighborhood. And I figure I'd just end this with a nice little aerial footage so you guys can see how beautiful this place is. I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the time that I'm here. I might start again tomorrow. I'll see about that. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys next time, alright?
Don't let it go. Chasing a dreams. What you do? Don't let it go. Chasing a dreams. What you